Hi friends, today we're continuing our discussion about trapezoids. Now we're going to talk about midsegments of trapezoids. So here's a trapezoid for you, and we have a line that goes right through the middle, and we're going to call that the midsegment. So if IL is the midsegment of trapezoid HJKM, and let's go ahead and highlight there. So if IL, which is this line right here, if that is the midsegment, then a couple of things happen. The bases and midsegment are all parallel. So that means that we've got this guy is parallel to this guy, which is parallel to this. That's why I went ahead and highlighted those in that blue color. So you could see all of those are parallel. The second part of that is the midsegment bisects the non-parallel sides. So on our trapezoid, we have exactly one pair of opposite sides are parallel. On the non-parallel sides, that's HJ and MK here, the midsegment bisects that. And remember, bisects means cuts exactly in half. So you can see that HI and IJ are equal to each other, and ML and LK are equal to each other. The next important part of this is the midsegment equals half the sum of the bases. Remember, sum means addition. So if we add the bases together and divide it by 2, that's going to give us our midsegment there. So for your notes here, this is a more abbreviated version that you can write down. If we take the top plus the bottom and we add those together and then divide by 2, we get the middle or our midsegment. So how can we apply that rule? Let's take a peek here. So, I wrote the answers right there. That's fun. Okay, so for our midsegment practice here, like I said, the top and the bottom added together, then divided by 2 are going to equal the middle. So let's take the top and the bottom, 3x plus 4 plus x, 5x minus 2. Those two things added together and then divided by 2 equals 3x plus 6. Okay, so let's go about solving this equation. You see we're dividing by 2 here. The opposite of divide is multiply, and that will help us get rid of that fraction. So if we multiply this by 2, we can cancel those guys out, but if we do it to one side, we should do it to the other, or we have to do it to the other if we want a correct answer. So now what we have is 3x plus 4 plus 5x minus 2 equals 2 times 3x plus 6. All right, from here, let's distribute and combine some like terms. I have 3x and 5x, positive 5x, so that gives us 8x. I have 4 and negative 2, so that's plus 2, equals 6x, distributing from here to here, so we get 6x plus 12. All right, now I want to get the x by itself, so I'm going to move the 6x to the other side, so minus 6x, minus 6x, and then I'm also going to minus 2. Now when I do that, I get 8x minus 6x, which is 2x, equals 12 minus 2, which is 10. Divide both sides by 2, and ta-da, we've got x equals 5. Now, the instructions aren't written here, but we are to solve for x, so you always want to go back and double check to make sure you're doing the correct thing. And so since we have solved for x, we have solved this problem. So those are midsegments. You will be able to use that formula on a couple of different things. Hopefully that helps, and we will see you next time.